The High Court of the Federal Capital Territory has fixed the 24th of April for hearing of a suit by Abuja's original inhabitants, seeking that the FCT be granted the full status of a state, like the existing 36, and with its state governor. Justice Silvana Sorigi adjourned the matter till April after counsel to the President, the National Assembly, and the Attorney General of the Federation were absent from court. Judiciary correspondent Celestine Area has more.
The absence of counsel to the federal government stalled the hearing of the suit. This suit, instituted by registered trustees of the Abuja Original Inhabitants Youth Empowerment Organization, seeks the enforcement of their rights in the inclusion of governance. The indigents of the Federal Capital Territory says they are the only people deprived of political right to participate in elections, to vote, and to stand for elections. The Abuja natives are praying the court for an order that the National Assembly to apply the doctrine of necessity and pass a resolution allowing elections to be conducted into designated executive and legislative positions as obtainable in states before the inauguration of a new government on the 29th of May 2023. They are also seeking the court to award a sum of 15 trillion naira against the defendants as damages for the alleged deprivation they have suffered over the years.
Their complaint before the court, which we are here for, is for the court to determine whether their right to dignity of person and freedom from discrimination has been violated. For a couple of years, their right to participate in elections, especially for governorship and House of Assembly, have been deprived. If you remember, since 1979 to date, all states in the Federation have been participating in elections for governorship and House of Assembly, except the FCT.
What happens to the FCT native when every other state is carrying out gubernatorial elections and State House of Assembly? We seek to know what we are and why we are and what are we. What are we? Are we truly Nigerians? If we are, then they should spell out, because of late we came to realize that in the Supreme Court ruling as in justification to the 25% of every state quota, FCT was termed to be the 37 states. So what is different in the order of governance that FCT has no second-tier value?
The National Assembly is set to play a critical role in ensuring the required legislative interventions to make the dreams of the original Abuja inhabitants a reality. Celestina Area, TVC News, Abuja.